In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate tasks in Wrike. Whether you're managing multiple projects or simply need to replicate tasks to streamline your workflow, learning how to duplicate tasks can save you both time and effort. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to easily achieve this. First things first, you need to start by logging into your Wrike account. Go to the login page and click on the login button. This will direct you to the available sign-in options. Here, we're going to use Google authentication because it's not only quick but also quite secure. Click on Google and from the list of accounts presented, choose the one you use for Wrike. This will instantly take you into your workspace where you can manage your tasks seamlessly. Now that you're in your Wrike workspace, find the task you want to duplicate. A simple and effective way to start this process is by right-clicking on the task itself. When you right-click a task, a menu filled with several options will appear. From this menu, you're going to need to select the duplicate option. Clicking on this will begin the duplication process, and you'll be prompted to enter a name for the new task. While it might be tempting to stick with a generic name, remember that a descriptive and unique title can be beneficial, especially if you're managing several tasks at once. Type in the name of the task, ensuring it's clear and distinct yet relevant to what you need. After you've named the task, look for the duplicate button once again and click it. This final action confirms the creation of your duplicate task. If you followed these steps, you should now see the newly created task alongside the original in your list. Duplicating tasks is particularly useful for tasks that recur frequently or have similar requirements. By doing this, you can maintain consistency across your projects without having to manually enter all the task details again. Just take the time initially to input the necessary details into your original task, and from there, duplication becomes an indispensable time saver. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to duplicate tasks in Wrike with just a few clicks. Remember, whether you're duplicating one task or several, this feature can significantly enhance your productivity. Try this out on your next project, and you'll see just how much smoother your workflow can become. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on maximizing your efficiency with Wrike. See you next time.